Yeah, hello out there. Hey, thanks for anybody watching us. We're going to try to remodify a trailer. We're kind of retired. We're going to go out boondocking and traveling. Had this trailer for 35 years in construction business. There's some of the old sides and stuff. We're cutting off the tongue and the receiver and all that. Got new ones ordered in from Amazon. The wife helped me out with that. It's not a bad trailer. We're putting in some new supports here. Got new fenders ordered for me. I'll redo the bearings. We're going to paint it. Going to turn it into a tool trailer. We'll have electrical, plumbing, insulation, water, shower, solar, generator, woodworking in the finish. We're gonna, if you can see here where somebody drilled a hole when they made this to run the trailer wires through. That's why you don't drill holes in support beams. You can see that crack in it, and it was bent down about an inch, inch and a half. I bent it back up, and I'm going to weld this new piece of steel underneath it to support it. This is a project anybody could take on. You can rent tools if you don't have them. I've got chop saw there, grinder here. There's these little thin cutoff blades that you use, and they work pretty decent. You can see that they're pretty wafer thin. They go kind of quick, but they're not too expensive, couple bucks. But they work good for, you know, cutting stuff like that off. And then I've got my welder and my helper over there. He's a good guy. And then like outside right now, we ended up with this big blizzard that's blowing through. Been doing this for a couple hours. Got probably 3 inches of snow. It's kind of nice, but kind of ready for it to be over with. It's kind of the deck of the house. I'm kind of wiggly walking in the snow here, but that's a panoramic view of the house. Pretty big house. It's been fun living in, but we're retiring and gonna go goofing off. This kind of the yard over there. That was our 40-foot coach that we had a lot of fun with, but once in a while things get too big and you need to downsize. So I'll see you next time. Maybe the snow will be melted again, or maybe it won't. Bye.